Hello, my name is Lawrence and I'm here today to talk to you about my weekend night skincare routine. So we are going to start with the cleanser, and then we go with the mask, the serum, the night cream and the eye cream, and we're going to be using the skincare too. So without further ado, stay tuned for the next step. Step 1 is going to be the cleanser. We are using a Time Wise Miracle set, which is come 4-in-1. First of all, we're going to use the 4-in-1 cleanser, and I'm going to be using the skin brush. So I'm going to be using the skin brush. So I'm going to just put a tiny bit on the back of my hand, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to wet my face because it's a bit dry. Of course, remove the glasses if it's going to remove. I'm going to wet my face a little bit because we need to have a wet face. A little bit is best when you come out the shower. So I put this tiny bit like here. As you can see, I'm going to put it there. Just all the part that you just can go anywhere you want. So now I'm going to start that, and it takes 1 minute. After 1 minute is going to stop. I'm going to clean my face. So as you can see, I'm just going through. So it's best that the face is wet, so I'm just going to brush the face after. If the face is not wet, just wet the brush, and then you will see that it's gonna bring up the foam. So as you can see, after 1 minute it's gonna stop. This cleanser contain toner, contain a scrub, contain a brightener, help to brighten a little bit the skin, and then also contain the cleanser itself. So we have brightener, cleanser, toner, scrub. So we got 4-in-1. So there you go. So you just keep rubbing it around. Don't put in your eyes because it should not go in the eyes. We have our eye cream for that. So we just let it run. After 1 minute, it's gonna stop. And then we go to the next step. Here we go. And then it does clean 4 times better than using simple hand. You can see now it stopped, and look at the dirt that came out. Look at the dirt. Now you see I have cleaned. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to remove. It's best to do it in the shower or in your bathroom. So I'm just going to remove that, and then see in a bit after I finish. After washing my face with the cleanser, I'm gonna go. The next step is the mask. I'm using even complexion mask, which does help with an even tone. If you don't have the spatula especially for the mask, you can use your foundation brush to avoid the mess, or you can simply just use your hand. Me, I like to use the brush or the spatula for the mask. So you have, that's another great hack you can use. So I'm just gonna put my mask on my face, because when you're using the brush or the spatula, it does save you a lot. You're going to use less mask. This mask is even complexion mask. It does help to even the skin tone, and also help to brighten your skin and remove all your marks. If you have dark spot, it does remove that. And it does work well with the tone corrector serum, which is also help with the brightness. So when you mix the both together, it really works wonders. I have tried it. That's what I'm using right now, and the result, I'm just loving it. And this, please bear in mind, this is not a beauty mask. This is a mask for a particular issue. If you want to have even tone skin, this is the mask to go. So yeah, that's it. And the mask, it takes 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, I'm gonna come back and then go to the next step, which is the serum. After the mask, I always use the serum. I usually do my mask the weekend, so it can be Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, and then one day in a week I usually do Wednesday. So you can choose the 2 days during the week to do your mask, but me, I like to do Friday or Saturday or Sunday, then pick one day, which is Wednesday for me, so you can pick any other day. So that way my skin is ready in the middle of the week, and also the weekend I'm ready to go. If today I'm going out, my skin will be brightening, it's breaking moisturized, and it's doing all the good stuff. So all the detail for the mask will be coming after anyway. So as you can see, it's a white mask. That tag is specific problem is not like always use powder eyes. Don't put mask in the eyes. I'm a little bit put it too close, but that's okay. That's okay. So I'm gonna leave it for 10 minutes and then I'll be right back. Thank you guys. After we finish removing the mask, we're gonna go with the tone corrector, which is the serum. So just remove your mask properly with a warm water, not too hot, just warm. Even when you remove your cleanser, use warm water, not too hot. So there, I remove all my mask. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the serum. So stay tuned. So the next step is going to be the toner, but I'm going to be using again the brush, the skincare brush, but this time I'm going to be using this head, which is good for massaging and using for the serum. Using this head, which is good for massaging and using for the serum. So I'm going to be using the tone corrector serum, which does help to remove all the dark spots, and it's good, like I said, to be using with the mask. So there you go, all the detail will come in a minute. So there, I'm just going to put it back of my hand again. This much would do. So I'm going to do the same, just put it all over my face. I'm just going to rub it. If you feel you didn't have enough, you can add some more. So what I do, I rub it first, and then again. Good, like I said, to be using with the mask. So there you go, all the detail will come in a minute. So there, I'm just going to put it back of my hand again. This much will do. So I'm going to do the same. The same, just put it all over my face. I'm just going to rub it. If you feel you didn't have enough, you can add some more. So what I do, I rub it first, and then again I use this brush, and it's really good. It just goes around and massages. It does help the serum to penetrate well in your skin. So you just rub it around your face, your nose. Just make sure it does rub, and in 1 minute it's going to stop. So if you feel like it's kind of stuck, it's because there's not enough syrup on that part, and then when you put the serum, you see it's like smooth and it's just going around because it is had the serum there. But if there is not enough serum, you see that it's kind of stuck, like here it's kind of stuck because there's not enough serum. So if I add a little bit more I have in my hand, it's gonna go smoothly. So there you go, you have your serum is already penetrate. You massage your face very well, and now it has stopped. You can hear that the noise has stuck. So there you go, that is the serum. I've done my cleanser, I've done the serum, I've done my mask. So now I'm going to do the night cream because we are at night, so I'm going to do the night cream. So please stay tuned. Now that I've done my serum, I'm going to do my night cream. We have daytime cream and then nighttime cream. So these two moisturizer come as a set with the cleanser and the eye cream. So we have this one, you can see is darker, it's a night cream, and this one you see the pinker light one is the daytime, and the daytime has a SPF 30 and all the information will come on the side, and this one is for the night and keeps you moisturized for 12 hours, so all night long. So just again, a tiny bit goes a long way, so that much should do. And I'm going to put it like I did earlier. I like to put all the places, and then when you massage, just go circle motion, and then you just go up. Make sure you go up because we want all those fine lines to go up. We don't want it to go down. So there, just put it up, and just do as you feel. Really, you just have to go up because that's what I want to do. I want all the fine line to go away because that's help. And then on your neck, you just massage it going upward. You can also put your serum on your neck, and you just use that again to massage, but for the moisturizer I don't use that, so you just use your hand. There you go. So that's me done with the moisturizer. The next step is going to be the eye cream, so stay tuned and I'll be right back. So now that I'm done with my cleanser, mask, serum, night cream, I'm going to use my eye cream. For the eye, it does help with the dark circle, fatigue, wrinkle, and many other things. And all the information for what you're gonna need that for is gonna come in the next one, on the top left or right, depending where I'm gonna put them. So here you go, just a little bit. And what you do, use your ring finger, because what it does, it really go gently. Really go gently with your eyes. And what do? You just put it there, you put dots there like that. You take and you put the eyebrow bone, just put it there. Don't put it there because you will feel like it's kind of hurting and you feel like it's not working. When you put it there, it will go up by itself, and the one on the top will go down like that. That's help to reduce the dark circle, like I have the darkness there, so that's why I'm using it. And it says like you see already the result in 4 weeks. So I just put on my eyebrow bone. You can see just go really smoothly, and I use the 2 hands. I shouldn't be using 1 hand because I shouldn't be using 1 hand because what happens is, if you have an infection in this eye and use the same finger for this eye, what it's going to bring the infection in this eye. So use different fingers for different eyes. So there you go. I'm just gonna massage it properly just to help it go away, and then I'll go on top my eyebrow bone, just go around it, really just massage it and help it to go away. So what it will do, it will just really go up, and the up one will go down. So there, I put my night cream, my eye cream, my cleanser, and my eye cream, my cleanser, and there you go. So guys, Thank you very much for watching. As you see all the steps, if you see something you like, don't forget to comment. If you have any question, put on the comment section. Like the video, click on the notification bell so I can add some more video like this and you'll be notified. So guys, I'm really happy you spent time watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have, like I say, if you have any question, please feel free to add in the comment section. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.